Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a YouTube Studio verification problem in just a few simple steps. Click the Settings button to open your YouTube Studio Settings dialog. A settings window appears with several tabs across the top. Click the Channel tab at the top of the settings window to access your channel level options. Now click the Feature Eligibility tab to see your verification status. This tab shows which features are available to your channel and which ones require verification. Click the Intermediate Features row to expand that section and see what verification unlocks. Click the Verify Phone Number button to open the verification form. A phone verification dialog appears on your screen. Click the Select Your Country drop-down and choose your country. For this example, I'm selecting Philippines. The drop-down shows a list of countries you can scroll through. Click into the phone number field and type your mobile number. For this example, I'm entering 077-009-00123. Click the Next button to request your code. If you see a valid phone number error, double-check your country code matches your number format and try again. If the verification code doesn't arrive within a few minutes, check you entered the correct number and request a new code. You can switch between text message and voice call delivery if one method isn't working. Once verified, your intermediate features unlock immediately, and you'll be able to use custom thumbnails, longer uploads, and live streaming. If you're still having issues after multiple attempts, wait 24 hours before trying again as YouTube limits verification requests per account. And that's how to fix a YouTube Studio verification problem. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.